Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be making harissa. Harissa is a spicy paste that I use all the time to add a depth of flavor and heat into my tomato sauces. So I'm going to walk you through the steps, and I think you'll see just how easy it is. So the first step is to get a bunch of dried chilies. I've got about 12 here of a variety of types. So I'm going to start off by cutting off the stems and shaking out the seeds. And now I'm going to soak them in boiling water for 15 minutes. So while that's doing its thing, I'm going to prepare the fresh ingredients. So I've got 2 cloves of garlic and 2 chilies. I'm just going to cut the stems off these and peel the garlic. For the next step, I'm going to toast some coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and caraway seeds. Half a teaspoon each. Throw them in a frying pan. Okay, so now we're toasting the cumin, coriander, and caraway seeds just to really unlock the flavor. Once they start to change color, take them off the heat and let them cool down. Okay, now grab your spice blender and pour them in. And give them a blend. Okay, so the hard bit's been done. And now it's just time to throw it all in a food processor. Okay, so I've thrown in the dried chilies, the fresh chilies, and the garlic. Next up is 1 teaspoon of hot paprika. Followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally, the juice from a lemon. Okay, put the lid on and turn it on. Okay, now while that's blending, pour in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, when it's finished blending, transfer it into an airtight container and you're done. So here's the final product. I must say it's very spicy, which is just the way I like it, but also absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it.